The 12 days of business, day 9. So, Damien wants to ensure that he has enough customers to cover the costs of running the candle making workshops. He has forecast a number of people he thinks that will attend. Damien's produced a break-even chart, and you need to simply label the lines marked A and B in the break-even chart. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, so the first line you should have got is revenue. The second line you should have got is total cost. So if you're thinking, how do I get those? Well, remember, the straight line is always a fixed cost because they don't change. And remember, from your fixed costs, you always have your total cost. So you see where the 600 is, your total cost always starts with fixed cost line. That's nice and easy. And you know the intersection for the break-even point is where the revenue and the total costs meet. Because remember, at break-even, you make no profit and no loss. Hopefully you picked up 2 simple marks. Well done.